Phaetus currently offers 3 Hotend models compatible with X1 P1 series, Standard, Basic, M6 and Plus version. These Hotends differ in nozzle installation, removal methods and materials. Please select based on your actual needs. First, power off the machine, then remove the original Hotend following the video tutorial. Transfer the fan from the original Hotend to the new one. If you are using the basic version of the Phaetus Conch Hotend for X1, remove the heater assembly from the original Hotend and install it onto the new one. Note that, apply a thin layer of thermal grease to the Hotend surface where the heater assembly will be mounted. Basic or Plus version of the Phaetus Conch Hotend for X1. Please install the Hotend onto the machine by following the upcoming video tutorial. Purchase the M6 version X1 Hotend. Please install the heater assembly according to the upcoming video tutorial. Remove the heater assembly from the original Hotend. Apply a thin layer of thermal grease to the surface of the new Hotend. Then, install the heater assembly onto the new Hotend, following the video instructions. Please note, the installation method for the M6 Hotend differs from the other two integrated Hotend models. If you are using the M6 Hotend, Please perform the correct thermal tightening and installation procedures according to the following tutorial. Recommended to set the nozzle temperature to any value between HA minus 250 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature is reached, gently tighten the nozzle using an open-end wrench. Be careful not to apply excessive force. Wait for the nozzle to cool down. Install the silicone sock. For this installation tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our official channels.